Understanding the propeller shaft, an essential component in mechanics. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating mechanical term, propeller shaft. Whether you're a car enthusiast, an engineering student, or just curious about mechanics, this video will help you understand what a propeller shaft is and its significance. So, let's get started. A propeller shaft, also known as a drive shaft, is a key mechanical component primarily used in vehicles. It's a rotating shaft that transmits mechanical power from an engine or motor to the wheels of the vehicle. The propeller shaft is crucial for converting the rotational power generated by the engine into the motion that drives the vehicle forward or backward. In this section, let's explore the mechanics behind the propeller shaft. Typically made from high-strength steel or aluminum, these shafts must withstand high torque and rotation speeds. They connect to the gearbox at one end and the differential at the other, allowing for effective power transmission. The design includes universal joints, which enable the shaft to move and flex with the vehicle's suspension while maintaining power flow. The propeller shaft plays a vital role in rear-wheel and four-wheel drive vehicles. It's responsible for transmitting power from the engine, which is usually located in the front of the vehicle, to the rear wheels. This process is essential for the vehicle's movement, and without the propeller shaft, the vehicle would not be able to drive. Maintaining a propeller shaft is crucial for vehicle safety and performance. Common issues include wear and tear of the universal joints, imbalance in the shaft, and misalignment. Regular inspections can prevent these problems and ensure the smooth functioning of the vehicle. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance and function of the propeller shaft in vehicles. Remember, this component is not just a piece of metal but a crucial part of a vehicle's mechanics. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.